Hello guys, so we are trekking towards our new peak which is called Bargantola, and the peak is named as K2.2307.
And the journey starts.
Some 25 kilometers. Now you just check it. Just we have crossed 800 meters, and there is one major lightning strike happened last week at this location. It's such a terrorful location where anything can happen, but the guys are full of dedication, and we are crossing around 8 kilometers today uphill, and we'll be showing you the various locations while traveling to one of the new routes. So we have crossed around 1 kilometer now, 1.5 almost, and you can see there's a point where there's a lot of damage to the forest, and such kind of activity should be stopped to save the environment. And you can see, I'm zooming in, see the river, nearby river flowing, the stream of the river flowing through these forests. What a mesmerizing sound, soothing sound, giving you a feel to lose yourself in this beautiful forest on the uphill of Uxmal. We are trekking again. Guys, now there's thundering happening around and rain is about to happen, so we have found this little cave. So we'll be staying here for the first camp till we'll have the next route plan, and we'll be just opening that and seeing where we are right now.
We'll open the map and we'll see what is
doctor, police, cinematographer, business, banker, everybody is here. So we have every plan intact here with us.
No, he's not the banker, he's the loser.
Guys, I have with me my trained dog Raju as specialist. See how he's searching the things. So security around, everything intact. Raju is very cautious about the people on the trek, and he has been trained for it by Mr. Rao from Delhi. You can check, he's there. So the guy who's leading it is Mr. Rauf Numaish, owner, and prepared with the Colombian knife in his hand. The other camera guy with us, vlogger Musafir-e-Kashmir, LNM owner, and preparing for something new ahead, vlogger. The other guy is the JKP head for the operations and the information center, and the guy in the pony is accidentally a doctor and a good trekker, and your host and host SB, an engineer, a banker, a trekker, vlogger, and looking for further goals to achieve in the life and looking for peace in these forests or not. We have achieved the peak. Now there at around, let me check with my smartwatch. Where are we? We are at around 2 kilometers from the base camp. You have to take a right turn downhill, one slope on the river stream. There is no track actually. It's very rough. So you have to create that downhill. We'll come on the river stream side. Then we have to take that river stream and go ahead for next 3 kilometers. Guys, you can see what a beauty, mesmerizing beauty around. What a awesome trek it has been. One of the memories now. It would be really one of the best treks in my life. We are still to reach trekking around the river stream bed. This is Doodh Ganga. The water is so pure. You want to check it out? Let's drink it.
Boş. İnteci beraber.
Adi.
Tamam çok.
और काफ़ी बारिश हो रही है. हम लोग टेंट में हैं. ये तस्सी भाई वीलॉग दिन के देख रहे हैं. टॉर्च इज देयर. केचुआ का मेक है बाय नुमाइश अलहरीम. इज द ओनर. द टेंट इज ऑसम. आप देख सकते हैं. दिस इज केचुआ इज गिविंग. Decathlon is saying this is for meant for 3, but we are 5 people, healthy people in the tent and we are comfortably sitting. But अगर 5 लोग हैं आप 2 टेंट में, you can easily camp it. It is such an awesome time. We are enjoying a lot. Adi bhai is there. Light is awesome. See the light. This is also Decathlon. See everything. GoPro owner Tasi bhai.
और डेंटिस्ट.
लाइट बिल्कुल एक अलग ही फील है इस बार. बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. So finally friends, we are back to the point number 1 where we have started early morning. We have crossed the point name? Dargah Tola. We had to move ahead for one more lake which was 1 kilometer, but unfortunately you can see the weather is not good. Rain everywhere. The weather is and this is something which I wanted to actually show to my friends. This is what you do actually when you do engineering from SSM college. See what they have made and what devastation has happened. So we are to point 1 number and we have reached back. So we'll be taking a break for next 15 minutes. Once we reach, settle down and then we'll plan back home.